Another thing we need to consider is that if it has a duplicate, it should not put it inside the list. Right? We don't want that. I don't want that. Hello. Hello. See? There are two instances of hello, and I don't want that. So I need to make another if here. Let's separate this if. So if choice in will. This just means that if the choice that the users inputted already exists in the wheel choices, then it will not add it to the wheel choices, because we don't want that. And then we just print duplicate word. Let's try. Hello. Hello. What?
God.
Okay, wait. I think it's not working yet. Ooh, why doesn't it work if choice in wheel choices? Right. Okay. So let's just put it in one if else statement. Damn, I'm dumb, man. I'm dumb as hell. So I think this should work. Duplicate word. Yeah.
God.
It works. So we need to clear the screen first, and then. So I don't want this. I don't want a bunch of words. I want a bunch of strings outputting on the terminal or on the console. I want to clear it first, and then say duplicate word, and then here, and then print this. Let's see if this works. Hello, and let's put another hello in there. Duplicate word. Right, that works. Let's put in another one. Hello world. Okay. So far, so good. Okay, so let's test out our code again. Let's see if it works if we end the loop. Hello world. And then let's try to exit. Damn, it works. You should be proud of yourself if you've gotten this far. Oh, I still want to do something here. If we don't have anything, I want to display none choices, and then it will display here none. This is very particular of some things, just forgive me. So let's try and implement that. If let's say length. So if you want to know the length or the size of the list, at first it will have a size of 0, because it will not have an element inside here. So it will be empty, so it will be 0. So if it's so if the length is 0, then we need to display choices, and then after choices is none. I think we just want to concatenate this. So let's have a variable that has the string none, and then just add it here. Where? I think it here. Choices. Yeah, here. By default, this will display the none variable here by default, because initially we will have the size of wheel choices or the length of wheel choices as 0. So the thing we need to do now is if it's not equal to 0, if it's not empty. So we just need to say if the length of the wheel choices list is not equal to 0, then we need to do something. Let's just modify. We need to modify this. I'm surprised I haven't had that many mistakes up until this point, because I'm rushing this. Print is let's just say no, we don't print anything. I just said that we need to modify the none. Let's just put it as an empty string. I think this will work. I guess. Let's see. Fast. Okay, it says none, and it needs to disappear if we add something to the list. All right, it's working. Let's exit. I think we need to have a functionality that we can spin the wheel. Okay, you don't have to represent it visually. Okay, the spinning of the wheel. Let's just say that we need to have a random choice from the list, Do you understand what I'm saying? I don't know, but I will try to implement it so that you can understand it further. Of course, we need to provide the user with a spin functionality, and then I would like it to be an infinite loop as well. So let's just use the not done variable. Let's set it to true again, because if we break from this loop, it will be false, and then we set it to true again so we can use it. So we put it like this again, and then while not done, I'll just use this because I'm lazy. Input let's just say y to spin. I'm very lazy, so let's say this. Okay, we can say input, and then let's have another. We can use the choice again. Input y to spin, and then if it's y, then we can spin. So we need to have a random number, because again we can access the list by indexing. So to have this functionality, the random functionality, I want to use another package, which is the random. So to use random, we can say random. We just want this random rand int. So here the random will accept. We need to specify the starting number, and then what number should be the limit. So from 0 up until, let's say, 50. In our case, we need to pick a number from 0 up until the length of the wheel choices. But consider this, right? Let's say if we have 2 elements in our list. So we have, so the indexing is 0. So this is the first element, and then this is the second element. But if we run length and let's say wheel choices, this will return 2, right? This will return 2. But if you run this length wheel choices, it will equal to 2. This will be 2. And then it will be out of index. So what we can do is just to have it subtracted by 1. So we just need to subtract 1 from it so that it will be correct. Because if it's 2, it will be out of index, because we only have 2 elements and there is no 2 that is present in here. Okay? So we need to subtract 1. And let's just put it in a variable. Let's say length wheel choices equal to, subtract the 1 here directly. So in the random, we can directly put it like this. Let's just say index. Let's put it in a variable index, random, and then print the wheel choices index. Why is it red, man? Define name random. I'll solve that later. Let's just put X to exit here, and then you can use this code again. So not done false, blah blah blah. And then let's see if this works. Hello world, and then let's exit. Input Y to spin or X to exit. Say Y. What?
God.
I'm using it here, man. What do you mean? What the fuck is wrong? I really think this will work. Okay, what the hell? The replit just, I don't know what happened to replit. I didn't change anything. I swear, I didn't change anything. So let's try it again. I deleted this because I was testing something, and then turns out I did nothing wrong. So let's print this. Heck, Replit. You're wasting my time, dude. See? Okay, I think that settles it. We're almost done. We just need to again let's say result from spin, and then here, is this correct now? So let's see if it works. Okay, and then press X, put Y to spin. It doesn't display. Okay, I think we need to clear it from the start. I'm sorry guys, I'm just dumb, okay? I'm just a dumb programmer. Please. And then try and run this again. Hello world. Hey, hi. Oi. Then press X, Y to spin. Result of spin. Hello. Right. World. Oi, 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 oi. Alright. I think we're done, guys. This settles our project for today. And although I was rushing, I think I reached 30 minutes because of some bug, like the random package earlier. It was a waste of time, but we're programmers and we need to prevail all the time, even though there are bugs. So you get what I'm saying. We're programmers and we need to solve anything with the best of our abilities. So enough pep talk, enough motivation. I know this is easy and you can follow this. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you had a good time. Until the next one, bye-bye.